Welcome to our Revamp genealogy projects with the Ultimate AI Squad. This is a presentation to help celebrate Family History Month in August 2024 in Australia. We're excited to explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your genealogy research. In this series that I've called Genealogy with AI, we'll cover these 5 main points. In this segment's recording today, I'll be talking about the tools and the prompts. Then we're going to focus on 4 powerful tools. The first 3 come under the heading of AI. First one is GPT-4 Omni. The second one is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And the third one is Perplexity. The fourth part of my squad is the weare.xyz program, which is specially designed for your family history archives. Each of these tools brings unique strengths to your genealogy toolkit. When building your AI team, it's crucial to select the right tools for your specific needs. We'll guide you through deciding which AI assistants will best support your genealogy projects. First up, let's talk about tools and prompts. When you're deciding on the tools that you need for your AI team, you'll need to take time to practice with each of them and get to know their strengths and weaknesses. You'll be able to then go on to define the type of prompts you need for your tasks. The prompts are the way in which you converse with the AI tool. A prompt is simply a collection of words in sentence format, usually, that enables you to ask the AI tool to carry out a task for you. There are 3 steps in doing this. Let me share those with you in a moment. What I wanted to say first of all is that I've gathered together my preferred AI tools because they each provide a specific and unique task and expertise for me in my genealogy journey. I mainly use ChatGPT for structuring and outlining and getting ideas for my research. I also use it because it contains DALL-E 3, which enables me to create images to illustrate my stories. I mainly use Claude 3.5 Sonnet to structure and plan with me the stories for each of my ancestors. And Perplexity, my newest assistant, helps me pose the historical context that I can include in those ancestral stories. The fourth piece is weare.xyz. As I said, it's a family history archive, and this is where I store and share the stories that I create for my ancestors after getting help from my AI squad. So these are the steps we need to take first. Step 1 is to plan. We need to determine what you'll need from the chatbot and how you want it to respond. In knowing these features, you'll have a better chance of getting the output that you desire. The second step is to create your prompts. I suggest that you write them into either Word or a Google Doc, and that you store these ready to use when you are working with your AI tool. I also suggest that these prompts should include the 7 factors framework. And this consists of these 7 pieces. F for format. You'll want to know what format you want the response from your AI tool, whether this is in narrative, in tabular lists, or some other format. A is for audience. It's useful if you tell the AI tool who you are writing this for. You'll get a better nuanced response suitable for that audience. C stands for context. Put everything into context when you're using your AI tools so that it has a better grasp of how its responses will fit in with your needs. T stands for tone, and this will help you to decide what response you want in what tone. Will it be friendly? Will it be casual? Will it be professional and formal? O stands for outline. You'll want the AI tool to outline the response for you, the task. What is it that you want it to do? R stands for role. You may give it a role, such as telling it that it's a genealogist or a researcher or a writer. And S stands for specifics, where you can give details and other data to help it perform the task that you set out to achieve. The next is to implement. Paste a copy of your prompt into the conversation panel of your chatbot, then activate. That's a pretty simple way to go ahead. But don't be afraid to check, revise, and reiterate where required. After all, this will be a conversation, and you might be surprised as to where it will take you, and be ready to be flexible in where you want it to go next. Coming up, I will give you another segment in this series, which will help you plan and create your GPTs using chat for Omni. But at this point, you should be able to feel confident that you're well on your way to leveraging AI to enhance your genealogy research and storytelling. Are you ready to meet your new AI research assistants? Let's dive in.